Music has always played a vital role in social movements, serving as a unifying force and a powerful tool for expression. Throughout history, songs have captured the essence of struggles, rallying people around shared values and dreams. During the Civil Rights Movement, for instance, anthems like "We Shall Overcome" became synonymous with the fight for equality, inspiring countless individuals to join the cause. These melodies not only provided comfort, but also fostered a sense of community among activists. Similarly, in the anti-war protests of the 1960s, songs such as Bob Dylan's "Blowing in the Wind" challenged the status quo, urging listeners to reconsider their values and the consequences of conflict. Music transcends barriers, bridging gaps between generations and cultures, making complex ideas more accessible. Today, movements like Black Lives Matter have harnessed social media to amplify their message through music, reaching global audiences. By evoking emotions and motivating action, music remains an enduring companion in the quest for justice, reminding us of our shared humanity and the power of collective action.